So I'm in here getting my pump on right now, doing a workout, and I do not feel like it, all right? We got some wonderful people in here. There's a couple campers hitting their boot camp. We just got started today. Hopefully some more people show up. But my point being, I'm back here doing my thing. I'm not feeling it, but I'm still getting it in, all right? The difference in motivation and being disciplined can make or break you. There may be days or times, a week or two in a row where you have no problem getting in the gym. The motivation's there. It's fun, you're excited, you're like, oh yeah, I've been feeling it lately. There's gonna be the same amount of time, if not more, that you don't feel like it. And if you're not disciplined enough to stay doing the things that you have to do, getting in the gym, eating your healthy meals, drinking your water, going to bed on time, stretching, all these things, you gotta be disciplined. Otherwise, that week or two where you were motivated, all that work you put in, it's gonna be for nothing. You're going to get nowhere. Discipline is the difference in the people who get results and the people who don't, all right? Motivation will come and go, and we will be happy to motivate you every way we can. We hope that you find your own motivation. But you can't rely on motivation, all right? You got to be disciplined. I'm disciplined. I still get these workouts in when I don't feel like it. Xavier, he don't feel like coming to work every day, but he's here Monday through Friday for you all. He has to. He's disciplined. Julie B, how many days a week you work out with us?
7.
7 days a week. All right, it's not all hardcore workouts. She got some rest in there. She's disciplined. Maria, how many days a week you in here with us?
5.
5 days a week. Do you feel like it every day? No. Heck no. Discipline over motivation. We need both. But if discipline is your issue, call yourself out right now and do something about it. Get in here, get disciplined. Let's go.